Hello guys, welcome to the weekly forecast of dollar index and gold. Welcome back to the channel. Do me a favor if you're just joining, if you're just coming across this channel, make sure to hit on the subscription button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our important videos that will be dropping on the channel. So the XY for this coming week, my view for the XY for this coming week is I'm still going to be bullish on it. So if you watch the previous week's forecast that we did, the market actually respected all of that. So everything actually played out as analyzed. So this coming week, what do I expect? So first, how DXY closed last week, moderately bullish, and we have an idea of the market approaching a major resistance zone, okay, around 99.50, around this level. So we have a major resistance zone there, all right, which we might see some minor resistance from there, but overall, I still expect a bullish move, except this level doesn't break, then we might see what starts coming in. All right, we might see sellers coming in, and the target would be for price to actually take out this high. All right, it would be for price to actually take out this high. So weekly candle closed bullish, but as an indecision candle. So the previous week we had a strong bullish candle. All right, we had a strong bullish candle and a zone after that. So we might just expect a pullback into this level and price takes out this high. So we might be expecting that. Okay. So first, before market rally to the upside, we had what this nice order block zone, which got respected after we had this low that had been rated before. All right. So by a sell side liquidity has been taken, and we expect to go. We expect price to go take out this buy side liquidity. So is that possible? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts for the dollar index. I'm still expecting a bullish move, all right, on the dollar index. So the momentum still remains supported by higher US yields, all right, geopolitical uncertainty, and expectation that the Federal Reserve may keep rates elevated more longer. So the technical outlook would be for you to identify first the level at which price closed for last week around 99.10 to 99.30. All right. So that is a weekly view. Let's go to the 4-8 time frame. For each time frame, we can see price trying to fill this gap that was open, I think, at the beginning of April, and now it's filling it at the end of May. Possible. So price remains above the support level, which we have here. It means we are still very much bullish on it. Okay. So we expect price to take out this high from this level. That is possible. So bullish scenario, if the buyers can be able to maintain their control above 98.80. All right. So therefore, price is using this zone now as a retest to continue. So we expect the bullish move to continue from this level. If price stays below there, we expect this bullish move to continue from that level. Okay, above 98. Above 98, the buyers are still in control. So it can actually continue higher now to this supply zone which we have here. All right, it can continue to that supply zone before we have any other move. So I will be focusing on buys for this all onto this level. So focusing on buys from this point to this level. So we have 99.50 to 100. That is actually a psychological level as well. So if you want to give more extension, so above after price has taken out this buy side liquidity, we'll give some extension to 100.60. All right, 100.60. So the trend structure still remains bullish, while price holds above 98.50. All right, above this level, we still remain bullish. So have in mind your key structure that you will be looking out for the buyers would be 99.50 to 100. That those levels are very important for the sellers to come back into the market. So that is going to be my view for dollar index. I'm bullish on dollar index for this coming week as long as price stays above this zone. All right, price stays above this zone, we remain bullish up to this supply level. It was a breakout we had here and price retest on it and it's moving. So we expect this coming week to open and take price to the supply zone before any major retracements back to the downside. So that is it for the dollar index.